everyone and welcome back to Camotes Real Estate House Tour. Today I will show you a 5-bedroom classic country house with a stunning sea view. This house is located in Poro, Camotes Island, Cebu. The lot has 400 square meters with a floor area of 151 square meters. You know what I love in this house? It has a very beautiful landscape garden. I am excited to show you inside of the house. Let's go! As we walked in, you're immediately welcomed by high ceilings, wide windows, and a warm open space. Here's the living area with the vintage furnitures, 8-seaters dining table, and a well-equipped kitchen. What is nice in this design is whenever you have a guest or your family coming over, while you're cooking, you can have a chat with them. Let's go and check out the guest room. This is the guest room with 2 twin beds and it is air conditioned. The bathroom of the guest room is separate. Let's head upstairs. Upstairs, there's a sitting area, perfect for relaxing or reading. And there are 3 bedrooms. The first bedroom is bright and airy and it has a backyard view. This is unfinished bathroom, so you're still free to design it. Let's check out the second one. The second room is currently used as an office or study room, but you can easily turn it into a bedroom. It already has a finished toilet and bath. This is the third bedroom. It's empty and the toilet and bath are also unfinished, so you can design them just the way you want. This room is used by the owner, so we cannot show it to you because it is locked. But it is air conditioned and it has a private toilet and bath. By the way, there are water pressure, water tank, and a deep well. This is the garden house, surrounded by lush greenery. From here, you can enjoy a peaceful garden area with a refreshing ocean view. And if you head up to the upper level, you'll find an even better spot to sit, feel the breeze, and take in the beautiful view of the sea. Now let me show you the entrance of the property. Isn't this beautiful? This is also a parking area aside from the garage. The property is fully fenced, and to my left is the garage. Now let's continue to the entrance. This is the gated entrance and the stairs that will lead us back to the house. That's the end of our quick house tour. I hope you like it. And if you are new to our YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you will be notified whenever we release a new videos.
Would you like to see this property? You can reach us through WhatsApp or visit our Facebook page and website camotesrealestate.com. To discover the beauty of the Camotes Islands, click the link in the description below.